Hi, this is Chef Pachi, and I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect salad with my new app, PachiFIT. The first thing you do is you select what meal you want. Click on the plus sign to select the food, and we're starting with cruciferous vegetables. From the list of cruciferous vegetables, I chose 3. Then I clicked on Done, and they're on the plate, and went back to the circle to add the next kind of category. Now, on leafy greens, I chose 1, add it to the plate. Then I go and have some other vegetables, either cooked or raw. And from here, I chose 3 vegetables. You can choose 1, 2, or 3. I'm just choosing different ones so the color looks beautiful on the image. After this, we're gonna go to our legumes. And I'm gonna add some legumes so that we can have some extra energy without adding any processed carbs. Then, last but not least, some beautiful fruit for more energy and color to my salad. I'm going to add some oil, avocado, and nuts. And these are usually in all of the salads, and they're the ones that add a lot of calories. And last but not least, we're going to add some vinegar and an herb to my salad. We might want to add some protein to our salad, so I'm going to choose salmon. If you want to add some yogurt to your salad, that can be your protein too. Then we're going to check out the calories on each food. Click on the circle that says View Meal and Edit Amounts, or View Calories by food. And we're going to see if we want to change a little bit of the caloric value of our salad. Take a look at the ingredient list and choose the one that has the most calories or the one you want to change. Then you go up and down in the amounts and click X. And once you click X, the amounts have changed. I've chosen to make some changes with the salmon and the oil, which are the 2 ingredients with the highest calorie count. Either adding less oil since we have some avocado and pine nuts, or maybe we don't want the salmon because we want our protein on the side. And like this, you can change any amount in your salad and create the salad with the calories you want and learn which products add more calories to your salad. We want to make a salad lower in calories, so we're going to change the olive oil for less amount, since we can prepare a lot of Pachi's dressings that don't need so much oil. Then we're going to change the salmon for some yogurt. And like this, you can make any changes in your salads and create your ideal salad. And even if you don't want to change it because you're out on a restaurant, at least you know what you're getting and what you can order on the side. With Chef PachiFIT, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Chef Pachi.